Hey, greetings, welcome back. I got a quick tip here on these roughly 04 through 07 Toyota 4Runners and Tundras, possibly other models, equipped with the 4.0 liter engine. If you have a condition where your cold start idle is high, maybe roughly 1300, 1500 RPM on startup, dropping into drive, you're 800 plus in drive, transmission kind of slamming into gear, I got a quick fix for you. You're watching the Car Doctor channel. Okay, here's the lowdown. This vehicle is an 07, but again, like I said, 04 through 07, 4.0 Tundra and 4Runners, possibly other models equipped with this configuration. Over time, when you get a dirty throttle body and whatnot, possibly from a dead battery even, you lose the learned idle values and get a subsequent high idle as a result. There's a quick fix for this. Basically involves remove this underhood fuse panel cover, and what you want to do is access two fuses here and remove them. The EFI, which is a 20 amp fuse, and the ETCS just above that is a 10 amp fuse in this case. Just remove those and let's give it like 5 minutes, and that'll clear the learned idle values. You can also do a memory reset using a scan tool with that ability. Okay, here's an important part of this tip. We're going to need to remove the upper engine cover and air intake duct, assembly air filter and whatnot to access the throttle plate. We're going to need to hold the throttle plate shut as we have an assistant after we've reinstalled the fuses, and hold the throttle plate shut. We'll have an assistant turn the key on briefly. That will give it a 0 closed throttle reading and finish completing the idle reset. Then just a matter of warming it up and relearning the idle. While we're in there, always clean the throttle body. I like to clean the mass airflow as well, and that'll give us a good, crisp, proper throttle idle value. And we'll just do that by, again, removing this cover, accessing the intake air duct, just loosen the clamp, remove the mass airflow, wiring harness, and get to the throttle plate here. Throttle body looks pretty clean, but in this case, since I'm doing this for demonstration purposes, I'm going to go ahead and pull it off and we'll clean it up just for good measure. You could remove the coolant hoses off of here, but I'm just gonna try to clean this up without completely removing it from the vehicle. I just use brake clean, to be honest. Works pretty good. Just a little rag to clean it up. That looks pretty good. I'm going to go ahead and reinstall this back on the vehicle. Like I said, while we're here, we're going to go ahead and pull this mass airflow off of here, clean it off real quick. Probably a good time to check your air filter as well. Use some mass airflow cleaner. And go ahead and reconnect the mass airflow meter. And now we have to talk to my granddaughter. Oh, hi! Okay, now we got that done. I'll go ahead and reinstall our fuses. I've got our assistant, our grumpy assistant, in the vehicle now. And we just hold this throttle plate closed and go ahead and turn it on. Okay, turn it off. And there we go. Okay, now we'll go ahead and reassemble the air intake duct and air filter housing. Okay, that's gonna about do it. What I do now is take it outside, get it fully warmed up, let it idle for a good 10 or 15 minutes. Take it out and drive it under normal conditions before we hand it back over to the customer, or in this case, maybe your wife. Make sure there isn't any stalling conditions, that it's fully relearn the idle value and set that. Try it several times, turn it off, restart it, make sure your idle is good. I really hope this video has been helpful. I appreciate you, the viewer. And I'll catch you next time on the Car Doctor channel. Take care.